In the previous video, we unboxed the Wallhack SP004. This glass mousepad was perfect for my setup and it glides really well with my mouse. The only upgrade I wanted to do was get the Wallhack mousepad skates. These are the UHMW-PE mouse skates and they're silent. These skates are an add-on to any mouse for it to glide a lot better on this glass mousepad. After unboxing it, we have a simple installation guide, we have the mouse skates itself, and we have adhesive removal and alcohol wipes, as well as a sticker. Now we'll test the mousepad before we put on the new skates. There is some resistance, especially when we have a cloth mousepad. Now let's get these new skates installed. You could use a simple pry tool like this metal or plastic one. And take off the old skates. After removing all the adhesive, we can use the alcohol wipe to make sure we have a clean surface to mount the new skates on. Once that is clean and dry, we'll remove the skates and apply them on the mouse. Keep in mind that the more skates you add, the more resistance you'll create for the mouse. I opted to put 5 on each corner, and testing it, it feels a lot smoother on this glass mousepad. This is a before sound test. And here's an after. You could hear that it's pretty much silent. Even on the cloth mousepad, it's a little bit better, but it's not designed for cloth mousepads. And now my mouse glides with little to no effort with just simply adding new skates. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.